Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Nyai de. Imperative sentence in Japanese part 11. Let's start. Please apply the balm. Bamu wo nutte kudasai. Please scratch my back. Senaka wo kaite kudasai. Please throw it. Sore wo nagete kudasai. Please go ahead. Dozo susudde kudasai. Please mind your business. Jibun no koto ni sutsushite kudasai. Thank you. Imperative sentence in Japanese part 12. Let's start. Please leave it. Sono mama ni shitte kudasai. Please let it be. Sono mama ni shitte oite kudasai. Please knock the door. Dao to tataitte kudasai. Please add sugar. Sato irette kudasai. Please run off or buzz off. Achie itette kudasai. Imperative sentence in Japanese part 13. Let's start. Please take off. Nuide kudasai. Please look at me. Watashi o mite kudasai. Please look there. Osoko o mitte kudasai. Please look over there. Achira o mitte kudasai. Please do as I say. Watashi no iu tori no shite kudasai. Imperative sentences in Japanese part 14. Let's start. Please decide yourself. Jibun de kimete kudasai. Please think it over. Yoku kagaite kudasai. Listen to me. Watashi no hanashi te kudasai. Please tuck your shirt. Yasu irete kudasai. Please tuck the flower. Hano sashite kudasai. Thank you. Imperative sentence in Japanese part 15. Let's start. Go to him. Korono tokoro e itate kudasai. Please mind it. Kyo stukete kudasai. Please carry on. Sono mama tsujukete kudasai. Please search for that. Toro sagashite kudasai. Please introduce me. Watashi o shokai shite kudasai. Thank you.